Summer travel puts a specific kind of stress on a car. You're taking thousands of pounds of metal, loading it with gear, and pushing it down asphalt that's often baking in triple-digit heat. That sustained heat creates thermal stress on rubber, fluids, and cooling systems. It's why we see measurable spikes in preventable roadside breakdowns every July and August. But when you're trying to wrangle kids and pack the trunk, taking the time to do a mechanical inspection usually feels like an unnecessary delay to the start of your vacation. We often rely on dashboard screens or new car warranties for a sense of security, but a digital display cannot stop the basic physical degradation caused by heat and friction. We can look at this through asymmetric risk, comparing small prep inputs versus massive failure costs. The proactive investment, 15 minutes and $0. The reactive cost, an $800 tow, 6 hours stranded, and the physical danger of highway traffic. Skipping the prep doesn't mean your engine will instantly explode, but it does shift the odds, making a vacation-ruining breakdown far more likely. If you are short on time, the goal is to optimize your preparation by identifying the absolute highest yield checks for a time-poor traveler. Keeping a trip on track isn't about complex mechanics. It's about recognizing that a fast, focused driveway audit largely determines the success of the journey. This chart gives us a way to grade every pre-trip task based on the effort it requires versus the disaster it prevents. Checking tire pressure and tread depth lands in the high-impact, low-effort quadrant. Tires are your vehicle's only contact with the road. At highway speeds, hot pavement and incorrect pressure create internal heat, causing blowouts. Spending 5 minutes with a pressure gauge prevents a high-speed failure, which remains the most frequent mechanical cause of summer accidents. Directly next to tires, we plot engine coolant and oil checks. This ensures your cooling system handles the stress of long climbs, preventing a cracked engine block. Finally, testing an aging battery moves slightly toward moderate effort, but remains high impact. While we associate battery failure with winter, summer heat actually accelerates internal corrosion, often without giving you a warning light on the dashboard. It requires a quick stop at a mechanic for a test, but that is a minor inconvenience compared to being stranded hundreds of kilometers from assistance. If you do nothing else, checking tires, fluids, and the battery secures the physical foundation of the trip. Applying this logic to logistics, verifying your roadside assistance is a high-impact, low-effort win. This removes the panic of searching for policy details on a busy highway shoulder. Meanwhile, physical gear like portable jump starters and tire inflators falls into a higher effort quadrant. These tools cost money and take up trunk space, but they provide autonomy when a tow truck is hours away. But every mechanical check and piece of gear eventually meets its match, the driver's decision-making. In a severe storm, your vehicle's mechanics are pushed to their physical limit. Eventually, even deep tread cannot prevent hydroplaning, and visibility drops to zero. Delaying a trip due to fatigue or weather warnings is a difficult decision because it disrupts family plans and schedules. But the social frustration of a delayed start is a minor cost compared to the physical risk of driving into a sandstorm or flood that your vehicle wasn't designed to handle. While emergency gear gives you options after a crisis, the driver's choices are the only safety system that keeps the vehicle out of unmanageable environments in the first place. Your specific level of preparation should always be dictated by the unique geography and physical demands of your route. We can use a final decision matrix to tailor your checklist to your specific destination. For a time-poor traveler staying on major interstates with easy access to services, your focus is efficiency. If you only have a few minutes before departure, checking your cold tire pressure and engine coolant is your mandatory minimum. However, if you are traveling through remote mountains or deserts, your risk profile changes significantly. Entering cellular dead zones requires accepting the trade-off of packing satellite communication and extra water, as digital assistance will be unavailable if you break down. Modern cars are built to be safer than ever before, but it's critically important to recognize the physical limits of driver assistance technology. Lane keep assist and automated braking cannot inflate a flat tire, cool a boiling radiator, or replace the judgment of a well-rested driver. The most effective safety investment you can make this summer is the 15 minutes you spend in your driveway before you ever turn the key.